Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use Inshot to split and trim your video. So we go to Inshot, we go to new and we take video here. This video is a screen recording that I have done, so I go to this place. Then when it comes, I want to trim it now to remove maybe where I pause, places that I made mistake. I want to split them and trim them and remove them so that I will have a very nice video at the end. So when I will just be playing it and also be checking where I made mistake and to correct it.
How to edit with blank space in Inshot. So here you go to Inshot.
So you see this place is very long, so it will waste time. So instead of me to leave it and it wastes people time when they are watching, I will just try to trim it from here. I will go to split, I will split it there, then I will play it until it reaches the place that I will have to cut it. So that's the place I will also split again, delete. So all this place need them. This is the interaction when I was making the video. So see here now, I will start again from here. Check it well so that you will not cut the one that you need. So I will split again here. So this is the place that I don't want. I will just remove it. I'll go to delete. I will delete it. So here now, watch here now.
Inshot. So here you go to Inshot. You go to video.
You see.
To new.
Now that space, that all those interruption and everything, I have removed them.
This place. So the next thing is to choose the canvas. That is the size. So I will use this.
So you continue like this and using that method to remove any place that you think is not necessary. You don't need it. Any place you don't need, just use the split and trim, and you delete that part that you don't need. So that's how you can be able to achieve that. Thank you.